Step into a world of fun and adventure with our outdoor playground equipments for school. Introducing our EPDM flooring for school playground, the perfect blend of safety and fun for your school's outdoor space. Our customizable flooring provides a safe and durable surface for children to play on, reducing the risk of injuries. Introducing our deluxe 4-seater seesaw, where laughter and balance abound. This customizable seesaw is the perfect addition to any playground, offering 4 seats for friends to enjoy together. Crafted with safety and durability in mind, our seesaw is designed to withstand years of play. Welcome to the world of outdoor fun with our fish spring rider and duck spring rider. These playful riders are not just a ride, they are a journey into the depths of imagination. Crafted for safety and durability, our riders are customizable to fit your playground needs. Merry-go-round, this customizable playground classic is perfect for children of all ages. Introducing our crawl tube, this customizable playground equipment is perfect for young explorers. These customizable slides are perfect for any playground, offering endless fun and excitement. Watch as kids slide and laugh, creating memories that will last a lifetime. Introducing our Try Basket, where fun and skill meet in the playground. Watch as kids aim, shoot, and score, creating memorable moments. Transform your school's playground into a hub of excitement with our outdoor playground equipments for school.